Hello, in this video we will learn how to use Google Scholar. Okay, you enter scholar.google.com and in the search bar you enter the field of study you want to search. For example, I will enter plasmonic solar cell and press enter. Here we have many criteria. First, if you search for plasmonic solar cell and you want advanced search, here we press this button and click advanced search. In the advanced search, you enter plasmonic solar cell with all of the words of plasmonic solar cell. Here, if you have to include extract phase, for example, silicon, I want to specify my research to silicon, and with at least one of the words, and without of the words, for example, organic. I don't want to search for organic solar cells. Okay, anywhere in the article or in the title of the article. This example will show you the articles only anywhere, these words anywhere in the article or in the title only. Okay, the other examples that here you enter the author or a published in or date between. I will press here. You get only 41 results that all entitled plasmonic solar cell, silicon minus organic. That means I don't want to search for organic solar cell. I only want to search for silicon solar cells, and it will be included in the title and the plasmonic solar cell. Okay, here you get the researches you want. In this bar we can identify more criteria. For example, these articles are chosen to be in any time. Okay, you can use custom range or since 2020 or since 2019. If you choose this, this will include the researches in 2019 and 2020. And if you use custom range, for example, in the last 5 years, so to 2015 to 2020, and press search. Here you get the results of your research from for the last 5 years. It's okay? Okay. Another thing that, for example, if you see this article, design of an ultra-thin silicon solar cell using localized surface plasmonic effects of embedded paired nanoparticles, you will see many things here. The first thing is to add to favorites or save this article. If I press this button, this article is saved to my library. Okay, how can I enter my library? You can enter your library from this link. If you enter to your library, you will get this article saved and many articles that you added before, that it is easy to again see it again in the future. Okay, the other thing is the cite button. The cite button, if you enter this cite button, you will get the reference. If you want to add it to your research in many formats, MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. Also, there are another criteria to be added: BibTeX and Note Refman Refworks. If you choose BibTeX, it will give you the text of the cited articles in the format of BibTeX. If you can further add it to Overleaf or text editor. Okay, so this is the cite button. Another thing is cited by. It is very interesting. So if I clicked on cited by, this will show you the cited articles that cite this work. So it is other future works that use this study in this research, cited this study in the research. If I click this button, you will get the 13 cited paper. There is an interesting thing that you can search within citing articles. So you can only search within these 13 articles. It's okay. For example, I will tick this button and, for example, write silicon. It gives you specific results that you want. That's okay? Okay. The another thing is related articles. Related articles are articles related to this work but not cited this work. It's okay. So when I click this button, they will give me the related article to this article. Also, on your research, you can sort by date or sort by relevance. If I sort by date, this will give me the recent studies, so 2020, 2020, 2020. Only the recent, very recent study of my research. Thank you very much.